Create a fast-paced video for YouTube about title, The Temple Monkeys of Angkor Wat. In the heart of Cambodia's ancient Angkor Wat, sacred stone meets wild spirit. Every morning as the sun rises over the temple towers, the monkeys come to life, leaping across ruins, stealing fruit from visitors, and lounging like little kings among the gods. These long-tailed macaques have lived here for generations. They've watched tourists, monks, and even filmmakers come and go. To them, Angkor Wat isn't just a temple, it's home. But be careful. While they look cute and curious, these monkeys are smart, quick, and sometimes mischievous. They remind us that nature and history still live side by side in Cambodia's most sacred place.